Welcome back to another Garage Waffle. This week I'm going to hit on some welding. So what I'm going to do is leave you with this pre-recorded footage of an update on the Mazda and an update on the Mini engine. So you enjoy those. I'll do some more on this and then I shall catch you in a bit. Over by the Mini engine then, as you can see, the supercharger is loosely mounted for now. Got some heat protective wrap around here, and down here the carburetor is going to go. These spaces aren't staying. I've actually got some proper spaces to come that will space it out 30mm, which will mean the bottom of the carb misses this here, and I don't have to cut it off. I didn't really want to cut it off. I could cut that off and the carb would sit on there, but that just doesn't look great, does it? That many spaces, if you like, and I don't really want to cut that. So got a couple of proper spaces coming and we don't have to modify that. Rotor arm and cap are needed. I'm going to keep this Dizzy for now. If it works, brilliant. If not, then I will buy a new Dizzy, but I'm hoping that one will be all fine. And you see round here then, move this lot out of the way. What we've got here then, so we've got supercharger pulleys, idler. So we need the bottom pulley, which will have our alternating water pump belt and the ribbed belt here. That needs straightening. As you can see, it's slightly off, so it just needs a bit of modification there just to bring that round in line. So that's what we're waiting for there. Pipe for our oil cooler. That'll come out towards the front and then back up here rather than just one pipe up. Starter motor, as you saw in a previous video, we've got all that cleaned up and working. I need a turbo clutch plate to go on the flywheel. That will all need to be matched up and balanced, and then all that can go in. So we're not actually that far from actually giving this a test fire, not really. But it's all time and money at the end of the day, but it's all good. Nice. Right, as you can see here, big hole in the front chassis leg. That's the one on the offside. We're underneath the car, obviously. And then we come over this side. I've removed the paneling. This is the near side chassis leg. As you can see, it's all rusty and horrible. So what we're gonna do, we've got to remove your anti-roll bar, radiator and stuff, get the wheel off. And then what we essentially do, we cut from back here near the chassis support all the way forwards to about here, and we remove that whole bit of chassis, put in the new bits and weld in the new single skin replacements. As you can see, it's just, so that is why this is going to be such a big job over the winter. Radiator's got to come out, anti-roll bar, any bits of trim. Okay, so that is what we've got to do on this. Can you see up there? It's just horrible up there as well. So that's the front chassis rails. What we're also going to do under here, we're going to wire brush. This subframe's not too bad, but we're going to wire brush all our suspension components and up here on the subframes. Moving down the car, actually fairly solid. It's where the factory underseal has come off, it is crusty. So we're going to get that all wire brushed back and then re-undersealed. You see here, it's just peeling off. Get all that changed out. Here, we've already made a start here. We've got a new fresh bit of metal welded in there. That's undersealed, that's ready. All of this here, that's absolutely solid. It looks horrible, but it is solid. This side then, all good, all nice solid metal. As we're wire brushing back, if I do come across a hole, we'll weld in some new metal in there. You see, this is all solid in there, just needs cleaning. And by wire brushing, what I mean is one of these on a grinder and just attack it. So not a little thing, a proper wire wheel on it. Rear lower arms, you see that they're crusty. They're solid, they're just crusty and they look horrible. So over the winter, it's all getting brushed or wire wheeled back. We're gonna underseal it, protect it. So when it goes for its MoT, I've got to sort that. we'll keep the MoT man happy. He'll look at it and go, this is a car that's been looked after and prepared. So, as you see, it's just all peeling off. It's 22 years old, 22-year-old under seal. It's just getting crusty and peeling away. We want him to come under here and go, good, nice solid car. Because you see, look at these seals. Nothing wrong with these. It's just a little bit down the front there where the under seals come away, and like I say, at the back. Same this side. Nothing wrong with that all the way down until you get to the back and it's just crusty where the under seals come off. So that's what we're doing on here. The exhaust leak here, as you can see. So that's got, separate it all, clean it all up, rejoin it. I should imagine, looking at that, it just needs squeezing together a bit more. Or if that's in as far as it goes, just some sealant around there just to stop it leaking. Frame that goes here and across and back, that has already been off, and as you can see, already wire wheeled and under sealed. So that's just hanging up on here, out of the way, ready to go back on when the rest of the under seal is done. But yeah, that's where we're at. I said silicone hoses, hopefully. Maybe there, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that rad, but it's not leaking, but it'd be nice to get a nice clean one in there. But yeah, you can see the MoT man just stuck his finger straight through that bit. So, bit of welding to do over the winter. Well, there we are then. How was that? So we had an update on the mini engine and an update on the Mazda, the welding I've got to do on that and everything I want to do to it. As you can see, the Mazda looked pretty horrible. So yeah, a bit of work there. That's proper winter project. So while we're doing it, like I said, we'll see if we can get some niceties on it. Welding is going well. I've got the car jacked up at a bit of a funny angle, and I'm just make a start on that real inner sill now. The front inner wing I'm really happy with. That's turned out nice. So, you lot have been awesome. This has been Garage Waffle. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I shall see you next week.